I've seen buyers make these 5 mistakes in their home buying process, and I'm going to teach you how to avoid them. You see, early on in my real estate career, one of the agents in my office had a couple of buyer clients that had found their perfect home. She asked for me to fill in for her at the home inspection, and the buyers were telling me all of their big plans for this house, how the kids were going to have a yard to play in, but 1 week before closing, their financing fell through, and they missed out on their dream home because of it. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the 5 mistakes to avoid when buying a home because I don't want you to go through the same thing. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or if you're looking to upgrade, these tips are going to save you time, money, and stress. But before we get into it, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. One common mistake buyers make is opening new lines of credit or credit cards before or during the home buying process. Doing so can negatively impact your credit score and your debt-to-income ratio, which are critical factors in securing a favorable mortgage rate. To avoid this, maintain your current credit profile and avoid any new credit applications until after you've closed on your new home. Again, don't open any new credit cards, co-sign for any loans, or apply for any new loans yourself after you've been pre-approved. Keep everything on autopilot. Another misstep is closing an existing credit card account. While it might seem logical to reduce your available credit, this can actually harm your credit score by decreasing your length of credit history and increasing your credit utilization ratio. Instead, keep your credit cards open, but refrain from using them excessively. You can throw 1 or 2 small recurring charges on it and pay it off in full every month to keep everything going. Making major purchases like buying a car or expensive furniture before closing on your home is a big no-no. These purchases can increase your debt and affect your loan approval. It's best to wait until after you've secured your mortgage to make any significant financial commitments. One of the most critical mistakes buyers make is underestimating closing costs. These include fees for inspections, appraisals, and loan origination, among others. Ensure you save enough to cover these costs to avoid any last-minute financial stress or delays in closing. Typically, your closing costs are going to be between 3 and 6% of the loan amount. Lastly, resist the temptation to buy the most expensive home you qualify for. While your lender may approve you for a certain amount, it's important to consider your overall financial health. Factor in ongoing expenses like maintenance, property taxes, and insurance to ensure that you can comfortably afford your new home without stretching your budget. The best strategy here is to determine what your monthly payment can be and talk with a realtor to find out what price range you should be in for that payment. And there you have it. 5 crucial mistakes to avoid when buying a new home. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to a smooth and successful home buying experience. If you're thinking about buying your next home, give me a shout. All of my contact information is in the description below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.